We are going to do a safety inspection. First, let's log into Field Tools. Touch Current Job, touch Submit Forms, then touch Safety Inspection. Field Tools knows the date and current job that we are on. This form interacts with the Action Item feature. Let's create an action item. Touch Create an Action Item. We need to report a violation. We are going to assign this to Mike, and we will copy Brian at the office. It will be due tomorrow morning by 9 a.m. And the standard is fall protection. Let's go to Description. You can use the microphone icon on your device's keyboard and speak in the details. Toe boards are missing. Let's fill in the required actions. Again, using the microphone. Install toe boards. Now let's take a video of this. Hit Add Videos. Then Take Video. Shoot your video. And when you're finished, hit the red record button to stop. Hit Use this video. As the video uploads, let's add a little more detail. Let's scroll up. We will mark this as a repeat occurrence. When the video is uploaded, we will commit and send. You can go to Main Navigation, then go to Search, and then hit Safety Inspection to view the report.